Leetcode daily challenge. Question 1266. Minimum time visiting all points. This is an easy problem. The question is about to calculate how long does it take for us to visit all the points, and we're gonna start from the first point, say x and y, and we want to accumulate all the distance between each 2 points. So just keep adding them up. Let's check a few different cases. Say this one. This is a square. For this square, if we go horizontally or vertically or diagonally, you can see for these 2 points, it's gonna take the same time, just 2, no matter which way we go. What if it is a rectangle? Check this one. This is a rectangle. We can always go diagonally for the square below, then go vertically. Diagonal for first, vertically here. 1, 2, 3, which is the same distance of vertically on y. So we can put it this way. Max x distance and y distance. The bigger one gonna be the distance of the distance between these 2 points. That's the way we calculate the distance and solve this problem.